Well, if you're a young person, your tax bill may one day be over the top. Government programs to care for your parents and grandparents will take an ever-increasing chunk out of your paycheck. Chief National Correspondent Jim Angle tonight with frightening numbers.
Babies who can't even count yet have a nasty surprise coming. If no changes are made in entitlements such as Medicare, younger taxpayers will have to cover unfunded promises of some $35 trillion.
We are unwilling to cover those costs right now, and therefore we're saying to our kids and grandkids, we don't want to pay for it. We're going to have you do it.
Therefore, looking to the future, a young person has to realize that his taxes are going to increase enormously, or the benefits will be cut enormously, or we just go broke.
How much would taxes have to go up? The Congressional Budget Office examined the issue before recent congressional actions and found the young would face staggering tax increases in decades to come. The CBO said to keep entitlement benefits where they are, taxes would have to increase by 48% in 2030 and a whopping 86% in 2050. That would drive the top rate to more than 73%, the highest since 1980. Corporate rates would also have to increase from 35 to 65%.
It's clear you do have to make some type of explicit tax increase if you don't change the benefits of those programs specifically.
Which is why the CBO wrote that without those additional revenues, the cost of entitlements will increase federal debt to unsupportable levels. Advocates for entitlement programs, though, say Americans reject any changes to benefits.
They say absolutely no benefit cuts to Social Security, Medicare, or Medicaid.
Lawson argues ways can be found to reduce health care costs, though that's unlikely to make up a $35 trillion shortfall.
We don't want to cut people's earned benefits. We don't want to take out of people's what they've earned, what they've paid into their whole lives.
The nation is undergoing a massive shift of resources from the young, even the unborn, to a growing body of seniors living longer and longer.
Right now, for every dollar we spend on young people, we're spending $4 on seniors. Right now in Medicare, the average person pays for 1/3 of the cost of the Medicare program.
So we're paying a greater share of Medicare benefits than we'd ever intended. And right now we have no plan and no ability to pay for all the promises looking down the road.
By 2025, entitlement spending such as Medicare and Medicaid will soak up every last tax dollar, leaving no money for any other function of government. And the longer we wait to fix entitlements, the more painful the fixes will be. Brett?
Jim, thank you.